A quick video I couldn't ever find on YouTube, so I thought I would make one. I have a coil similar to this. This is a different mower I'm working on now, but so I had another one where I put the coil on and I checked the voltage. The voltage was good. The spark was good. Wire was good. Everything was good. It still wouldn't fire. No spark, no spark. I tried 3, 4 different coils. Nothing. Well, as it turns out, there is words right here. I don't know if you can see those. This side out. On the other side, there's nothing. On this one, it's new. Apparently, they don't care. But on the bottom, it'll say cylinder side down. So, I thought, common sense wise, if you put this here and you have your plug, and then you have your wire, and your plug would, let me focus, would you plug into there? That to me would make sense. But as it turns out, this thing will not fire because it's upside down. Flip it over, install it. Even though this thing is down here in an awkward position let me zoom out a little bit. It's in an awkward position, all that. This side up, it will start. You will get spark. Flip it over, no spark. I don't know why. Probably something to do with a magnet, negative, positive. But there's not a video out there that I could find. I just actually finally figured it out on my own. So if you're installing an ignition coil, make sure you put, let me see if I can get it here. This side out means this side up. The other side says something cylinder down. Make sure that's down, or it won't work. Hopefully that just saved you about 16 hours and misery. All right. Have a good day.